this video, we are going to talk about plant growth regulator. Plant growth regulator are plant hormones, okay, which is also known as phytohormones. Okay, phyto means plant, hormones means chemical. There are two types: growth promoter, growth inhibitor. Growth promoter is auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, and growth inhibitor is ABA and ethylene. So first we talk about auxin, the growth promoter. It causes cell elongation. Okay, so if the cell is this size, it elongate and the cell. Okay, so first Darwin and his son observation on coleoptile grass, what they found that the grass, okay, show phototropism, means it tip bend toward the sunlight, but why it is so they didn't know. Later FW Wen did Avena curvature test. He took oat seedling, which is Avena species, okay, and what he did, he cut the tip, okay, and then he put that tip on agar jelly. So the substance which is present that extracted in agar jelly, and what he found that after cutting the tip, the stem is not showing the phototropism. Then he put the agar jelly, agar medium, in the top of the stem, and what he found that the stem bent toward the sunlight. So this show there is something present in the tip which is called auxin. Auxin grow at the tip of the shoot, tip of the root, tip of the leaves, but it migrate to the region of its action. Okay, so auxin always grow opposite to the sunlight, okay, and then it elongate the cell so the tip bend toward the sunlight. Okay, so auxin first isolated from human urine, and there's natural auxin, indole acetic 3 acid and indole butyric acid. Synthetic auxin is NAA and 2,4-D. So what is the function of auxin? It is extensively used in agriculture and horticulture practices. It causes cell elongation, shoot and coleoptile, plasticity of cell wall increase because the cell elongate, cell division and differentiation. Okay, so regeneration of vascular tissue, secondary growth, so it induce cell division in vascular cambium, so secondary xylem and phloem is formed. Root initiation in stem cutting, so if you put a stem cutting in auxin solution, okay, so the roots will grow. Basically auxin promote root growth. It also cause the shoot growth, but main function it cause root growth. Whichever part of the plant you spray the auxin, the roots will grow. Apical dominance, so it show the apical dominance. Apical dominance means tip at the top of the tip of the stem inhibit the growth of lateral leaves and lateral buds. So cut the tip and lateral buds and branches will grow. So it is used in hedge making and tea plantation. What they do, they prune the tip of the plant so the lateral buds can grow. Parthenocarpy, it very large and develop into seedless fruit like banana. Okay, fruit development, it delays senescence. Basically, if the fruit is young, then it prevent them to fall. So it delays senescence. Senescence means budhappa. Okay. And if the fruit is mature and old, then it called abscission. Okay, so it is very understanding hormone. It causes flowering in pineapple. Herbicides is used as herbicide to kill dicot weeds. Okay, so if you have to grow monocot, grasses are monocot. So if you have to grow the lawn, grass lawn, you spray the auxin, so all the dicot weeds will die and the grass lawn can be prepared. And next is gibberellin. Gibberellin is causing the increase in height or length of the stem. Okay, it is first discovered in Bakane foolish seedling disease in rice caused by Gibberella fujikuri, which is a fungus, and who discovered is E. Kurosawa. So what was the discovery? That the rice plant increase its height more than its original height, okay, and then it collapse and die. So they say, what a foolish plant. Okay, but later it is discovered that it is not the rice problem. There is a fungus grow upon the rice, okay, which secrete a chemical which cause the increase in length of the stem, okay, and that chemical is gibberellin. There's 100 different type of gibberellins are discovered, okay, but first, GA3 was discovered. It cross increase the length of the axis. It cause fruit like apple to elongate. So the if apple is like this, it will apple will elongate. Okay, and it stay on tree for a long time, so it increase the market value also. It delays senescence, so the fruits and leaves can stay on the tree for long time. GA3 is used to speed up malting process in brewing industry. It increase the length of sugarcane stem, so increase yield 20 ton per acre. So we use the sugarcane stem for making sugar, na? So it increase the stem length, it promote bolting, and GAS has a maturity in lead early seed production. Okay. Now cytokinins. So whenever the cell division take place, cytokinins is synthesized. So first, kinetin, a kind of cytokinin substance discovered from autoclave herring sperm DNA. Later, Skoog and Miller identified cytokinesis promoting active substance G18 in corn and coconut milk. Okay, so basically, cytokinin function is to promote cell division and growth of the plant. So we know for growth, we need cell division, more cells. For making more cells, we need cell division. So you spray the cytokinin, shoot, apex will grow, development of shoot bud, young fruit, okay, leaves, chloroplast in leaves, lateral shoot growth, and adventitious root formation. Okay, so basically it cause growth in the plant. Cytokinin help to overcome apical dominance. You spray the cytokinin, lateral buds and branches will also grow. It promote nutrient mobilization to delay senescence, used by farmer to increase production of crop. So the more cell division take place, so more new buds, shoots, fruits will grow. Okay. Next is ethylene. Ethylene is discovered by cousin. It is a gaseous PZR. Okay. So you have seen that in a basket of fruit, if they are orange, ripen orange or any fruit is present, it will secrete some chemical that other fruits will also get ripen. This is the gaseous ethylene. Okay. It's synthesized in plant undergoing senescence and ripening fruit. It causes horizontal growth of seedling, swelling of the axis, and apical hook formation in dicot seedling. So if there is a dicot seedling, it will grow horizontally, axis will swell up, and the apical hook will form. Highly effective in fruit NAMI, it's cause ripening. Okay. So for fruit ripen, spray ethylene, the fruit will get ripen. Break seed and bud dormancy. Okay. Flowering and fruiting in pineapple and mango. Basically, for flowering and fruiting in pineapple, auxin is used. Okay. Auxin with ethylene. Ethopane is used as source of ethylene. Next is abscisic acid. It regulates abscission and dormancy. Okay, it inhibits seed germination. It is called stress hormone. Why? Because if there is no favorable condition, it inhibits seed germination. Okay, it closed the stomata, closed the stomata. So what happened? The CO2 can't get in and respiration will not take place. So energy loss will not take place and metabolism will not take place. So seed will not germinate. Understood? So this is called stress hormone, abscisic acid. So what we learn here? Auxin, it causes cell elongation. Okay. Also, next is gibberellin. It increase length of the stem and also you can say fruit. Okay, like an apple. Cytokinin. So whenever which place in the plant cell division take place, cytokinin is synthesized. Ethylene. Ethylene cause ripening of fruit. Okay, and abscisic acid. It is a stress hormone. It inhibit seed germination. Okay, so the topic is done. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.